Heidi, and I'm going to show you the new features of the new version of RadCORE. During application execution, we can create new objects and assign dynamic resources to them. Now it's easier to add or update the attributes of any object dynamically. By default, responsive blocks, when regrouping, do so with smooth motion animation and a fade. Now, in addition to turning this off globally in the themes control, you can also do it in specific blocks. This is very useful when there are tens or hundreds of blocks and you need to make continual updates to the content of the blocks. Let's see a demo video. That classic feature that, when we start a registration or edition, or are viewing a record, we need to code the state or color of the register, edit, cancel buttons, or any other object sensitive to the data source state. Now, everything will be simpler and better, more productive to create your forms. With RadCORE, we will now be able to enable, make invisible, change the color, change the caption, or even apply a CSS class depending on the state of the linked data source. Let's see a demo video. By default, the UniDBComboBox component does not allow us to add values related to items. Now, we will be able to do it in a very simple, fast and coding-free way. Beside the items of your component, just add the respective values separated with a pipe, and that's it. RadCORE will control this in all CRUDs inherited from form-based CRUD. You can also use it in any other form, just follow the instructions in our help. Let's see a demo video. If you are a user, be aware of updating the documentation. If you are not a user yet and want to know the project, get in touch, and I will be delighted to present you the benefits that users from over 30 countries are having. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click on like to help the RadCORE project. If you want to know RadCORE, call Flavio on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or send him an email. Okay? Until next time and good studies.